Hello everyone, I am Dr. Geeta Narayanan. I am a radiation oncologist. I head radiation oncology department at Vaidehi Cancer Center, Bangalore. As a radiation oncologist, the first question which is asked to me is, during this COVID pandemic, whether radiation can be delayed. And my answer would be no. Because in most of the cases, if we delay the treatment, there is a possibility that the prognosis may worsen. Hence, it's not recommended to delay or postpone the treatment. Also, we need to understand that the radiation treatment doesn't cause any compromise in the immunity act. Also, it doesn't use any other resources in the hospital like ICU, which is a requirement for surgery cases. So hence, and also radiation treatment is an outpatient treatment, so hence it can be delivered safely. And as I said, only in a very selected cases, probably we can put a hold on the treatment, which will be decided on a case-to-case basis. The next question comes is, if I am not from Bangalore, I am outside Bangalore, outside state of Karnataka, do I require a quarantine if I come to Vaidehi Cancer Center? I think the government of Karnataka has made it very clear 2 days back that there is no more quarantine required if you are asymptomatic. The next question comes, as a patient, what precautions I am going to take? So let me tell you that when you plan to visit us, actually, the first and foremost, try to book an appointment so that there is no congestion at the OPD area. So you can go to our website and you can book an appointment. The next thing, when you are coming here, try to come with only one attender, preferably someone actually who knows all your medical history, and someone is going to be with you and is going to be your caretaker. The next thing is, when you are visiting us, you can make sure that you wear a mask, you carry a small bottle of sanitizer with you. These are the precautions you need to take when you are visiting us. The next question is, what precautions do I take in my department? Let me assure you that all my staffs who are involved in your treatment, they wear all safety precautions, because safety is important for you, safety is important for us. So all of us wear masks, we wear gloves when we examine you, every time when we see you, we sanitize our hands, we wash our hands regularly. And the most important thing is social distancing, and this has been taken care at every point, at the reception, when we see you in OPD, in the waiting area. The next comes to when the radiation treatment is planned. So the same safety precautions we are taking in the machine area also. The treatment is done again on appointment basis, so that at a given time, not more than 3 or 4 patients wait. Also, the technologists who are involved in your treatment take care of all the safety precautions what I mentioned earlier. In addition to that, all the machines are cleaned with sodium hypochlorite solutions in the morning and in the evening when the treatment is completed. So we are doing all possible precautions and try to keep you safe. So the next question is, are there any change in the treatment protocols? Yes, based on the site actually where you have a cancer, sometimes we may change the routine protocols what we are following. There is a possibility that the routine the radiation which was given for 5 to 6 weeks can be reduced to 2 to 3 weeks in certain selected cases. And these are actually all recommendations which are followed internationally, and the same we try to follow at our center. The last thing comes is, if you are a follow-up patient, then in that case I would say that if you do not have any symptoms, so you can choose over a teleconsultation, and once we talk to you and find out about how you are doing, about your symptoms or any other problems, then we would advise you if any investigations are required or you need to come physically and see us.